Hello, I'm Chris. In this video, we will look at the different speed limits for car drivers in England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. It's not always safe to drive at the speed limit, and it's definitely not a target speed either. The speed limit in built-up areas with street lighting is 30 miles per hour, unless signs show otherwise, although in Wales, it's 20. Local councils can set their own speed limits in certain areas, so keep a lookout for signs. This road has a speed limit of 40 miles per hour, although it may look like a built-up residential area. As always, look out for signs. This is a single carriageway without street lighting. The national speed limit here is 60 miles per hour. And this is a sign for the national speed limit. As usual, watch out for signs that might show that the speed limit is lower. A single carriageway has a continuous surface and no physical barrier dividing the directions of travel. This is the most common type of road in the UK and Ireland. The term single carriageway doesn't indicate the number of lanes. While most single carriageways have one lane in each direction, some have more lanes in each direction in certain areas. This is a dual carriageway. The national speed limit is 70 miles per hour, but again there might be signs showing a lower limit. This dual carriageway with streetlights has a 40 mile per hour speed limit, as you can see on the sign. A dual carriageway is a road designed with two separate sections for traffic moving in opposite directions. Each section or carriageway typically has multiple lanes, and is divided with a physical separation between them, like a grass strip or barrier, to prevent vehicles from crossing into oncoming traffic. This setup makes driving safer and allows for higher speed limits compared to single carriageways, where traffic in both directions share the same road space without any physical separation. Dual carriageways can have one or more lanes. This is also a dual carriageway. And this is a motorway. The national speed limit is 70 miles per hour, although signs may show otherwise. Motorways are high-speed roads that link major towns and cities. Although motorways and dual carriageways share some similarities, they also have several important differences. Motorways are marked with an M before or after the road number. Motorways are for motorised vehicles only, meaning no pedestrians or cyclists are allowed. Learner drivers can drive on dual carriageways, but aren't allowed on motorways, unless they're in a dual-control car with a fully qualified driving instructor. Motorways don't permit slow-moving vehicles like tractors, which are allowed on dual carriageways. Motorway signs are blue, while dual carriageway signs are green. Motorways usually have 3 lanes, and dual carriageways 2, but some motorways have only 2 lanes and a hard shoulder, while some dual carriageways can have 3 lanes. Always be on the lookout for changes in speed limits. Signs indicating a new limit can appear at the beginning of a road, or at its end, or anywhere along the road. The sign is where the new speed limit starts. Slow down to or below the new limit before the sign, as that's where the new limit begins. Look out for these smaller repeater signs that remind you what the speed limit is. I'm turning off this road, and as I haven't seen any signs, then it's still the same speed limit as the last road. If you're driving other types of vehicles or towing caravans or trailers, then check the highway code for the different speed limits. Watch this video next if you want some easy tips on how to save money on petrol or diesel. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.